Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Olight. Now I was sent this flashlight, keychain light, from them directly. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel, test it out. Comes in this box. Let's start off with the specs here. Now it's just 90 lumens. Now it runs on a single AAA battery, so that's what that looks like. Hopefully I get it a little closer there. 90 lumens, one light output. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. It's always great to get these. I have another one here in my collection as well, and to have this here is the blue porcelain, which is pretty amazing looking here from the box. We're gonna get to the warnings here. They always give it to you front and back. This one here is pretty low voltage, so you shouldn't have any dangerous conditions. One user manual. Now this is multi-language. Now there is a protection piece on the battery, so you want to make sure that you remove that. Already has the key ring on there, so that's great. There's the warning there as well. So now let's take a look here at the light. So many different good angles on here. Let's go ahead and take a look at it here. There it is. Super tiny and compact. Great for your keys. Got to start off right away with the machining and finish on here. It is excellent. A lot of detail went into this. Just going to simple twist it on and twist it off. And the style and design on this is very nice. So as you can see here, special optics, it's called TIR. Behind that is a LUXEON TX LED. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get this open, take it apart, show you the battery that this comes with. This is a complete kit. Here's the little protection piece here. You want to remove that. Straight contact plate there on the head. Here's the battery, just a regular alkaline AAA cell. 1.5 volt. Now I am going to bring out another set. I'm going to use one of these Energizer lithium cells. These are one-time use, but I get a lot of more life out of the light. I carry another Olight on my key ring. These are the Energizer. You can get these, and they're fairly inexpensive, but they really have tremendous life compared to a standard alkaline. And most of all, they won't leak. And if they do, they don't damage anything internal, acid-wise. Alright, so we know it's working. Nothing wrong with the battery that it comes with. You can use any battery of your choice. So now let's go through the UI. It's pretty simple. Turn that on just like I did before. Look at that beam. Nice hot spot. It's kind of large, but it's got a tapering spill. And it is cool white. Simple on and off. You can do it one-handed if you have your keys in your hand. Pretty simple. And that's all there is to this little beauty. Simple, easy, do it with your keys in an emergency, don't have any light. Plus, you know, for an emergency, this will be 90 lumens, which is plenty of light to be able to light up your pathway. These make great gift ideas. They are having a great sale on these in their Amazon store, which I will leave a link down below this video. I believe this particular one is under $10. So really a nice quality light for that price. And beautiful looking, in my opinion. These are very rugged as well. I've had my other one for quite a while. We're out here in the darkness with the little Olight i3E EOS. Let's go ahead and get started. One-handed here. Water spout 38 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet there to that tree. There's the beam on the fence, all coming from this little tiny light. And it is making 138 feet. I hope my camera's picking that up, but it is faint. Yeah, all coming from a little keychain light. So you can see a good 100 feet. Impressive. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. I just wanted to show you another one that I had reviewed quite a while back. I think it's been over a year and a half, 2 years, and it's still on my keys, and it's battered and beaten and scraped up, but it still works. So can't beat them. These are very nice quality keychain lights, so I thought I'd kind of bring that out to show it to you. It really is an impressive light. I'm almost scared to put this one on my key ring. I don't want it to get scratched up, but only time will tell. We'll see. Very nice build quality overall, no issues at all. This here does have plenty of light output. 90 lumens is plenty for your keys. Great, perfect size for everyday carry. Tiny enough to stick with your keys and it not, you know, be too bulky. Very nice designs on this. Definitely is eye candy. Conversation piece too as well. Alright, well, I want to thank Olight for sending me this i3E EOS to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, now if this is a design you want, take a look at the link below. That'll take you there where you can get it. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Olight, keychain that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.